Tractor fight bulldozer. Asterisk asterisk bulldozer asterisk asterisk and a asterisk asterisk tractor asterisk asterisk are both powerful heavy machines but designed for distinctly different purposes, making a fight between them more about comparing capabilities than actual combat. Asterisk asterisk bulldozer asterisk asterisk, built primarily for asterisk asterisk earth moving, road building, land clearing, and heavy-duty pushing asterisk asterisk, equipped with a large front blade and often a rear ripper for breaking hard ground. Its tracks give it excellent traction and stability on rough, muddy, or uneven terrain, enabling it to push heavy loads and level large areas effectively 6-7. Bulldozers excel in construction and extreme terrain work due to their raw power and durability. 5. Asterisk asterisk tractor asterisk asterisk, mostly designed for asterisk asterisk agricultural tasks asterisk asterisk like plowing, tilling, planting, and hauling equipment. Tractors are versatile machines that use a variety of attachments for different jobs and generally have wheels instead of tracks, making them faster and more maneuverable on farms and fields. 6-5. They are less suited for rugged terrain or heavy pushing compared to bulldozers, but excel in multitasking on farmland. 5. In a direct power tug of war or push scenario, a large bulldozer, for example, D11 or similar, can easily overpower tractors, as demonstrated in videos where bulldozers drag tractors uphill despite the tractors being braked and in neutral. 1-3. This is due to the bulldozer's immense engine power, torque, and track-based traction. If you want asterisk asterisk maximum earth-moving power or land-clearing asterisk asterisk, a bulldozer is the win. For asterisk asterisk farm versatility and varied field tasks asterisk asterisk, a tractor is better. So, the winner depends on your needs. Construction land moving favors bulldozers. Farming and general land management favor tractors. 5-6-2. Videos of bulldozer versus tractor battles show bulldozers dominating in pure pushing power tasks. 1-3.